Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to create a waving flag animation in After Effects. For this animation we will create an Indian flag from scratch and then add a waving animation to it and make it look as real as possible. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started. We'll start by creating a new composition. Then we'll select the shape tool and create a rectangle. Now we need 3 of these, so we'll just duplicate the layer twice and then we will have these 3 rectangles. Let me align the center one, align it to the center of the screen, and then we will align the other 2 with the center one. Make sure the snapping is turned on so that the edges snap to one another, and it makes everything a lot easy, like so. Okay, so now we can start by adding colors. Now for the top rectangle we are going to add a saffron color. I have a hex code for that. So there you go. Now for the center one, it's white, so 6 times F. There you go. And for green we have a hex code. There you go. So now let us add an Ashoka Chakra. I already have a Ashoka Chakra which I have downloaded from Wikipedia pages. I'll just drag it and drop it into our composition. Now let me scale it down. I will press S and then I will reduce the size like so, and then just align it to the center. Okay, so now everything is perfectly aligned. What we can do is we can select all the layers and pre-compose the layers and call it flag. Okay, so now we have our flag here. Now let's start by adding effects to it. The first effect that we are going to add is wave warp. Just add it to our flag. Now we'll change the wave height to 6, wave width to 120, wave direction to 120, and then we will change the wave speed. We'll bring it down to 0.5. Okay, so now you can see, let it render out. So there you go. Now you can see our flag is having the wave animation. Now let us add more realism to this. We can add one more effect. It's called mesh warp. Okay, just add it to our flag, and now what we can do is we have to just tweak this like so. Just make it look a bit more just make it look non-uniform, because you know the flags are usually made up of some sort of fabrics, and fabrics when they wave are usually not very uniform. So like this you can keep on playing around with it and create your own effect. So let us now render this out and see how it looks. So there you go. You can see already it is having a little more depth to it. Now you can see the Ashoka Chakra, it's having a very beautiful flow effect, which is looking a lot more real. Okay, so now the third effect that we are going to add is fractal noise. Okay, now this will add more depth to our flag. Okay, so first we are going to change the blending mode from normal to multiply. All right, now we'll reduce the contrast from 100 to 30, and then we will increase the brightness to 45. So we get this kind of effect. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go inside the sub settings, and we are going to increase the subscaling from 56 to 100. So now you can see it has added very subtle shadows to it. Now we can animate this. Let it render out. So there you go. You can see how beautiful this is looking, but we can do one more thing. We can animate these shadows as well. They will go forward along with the waves. So you can use this particular property to animate the shadows to move forward with the waves. Like you can see, if I move this forward, you can see this shadows are also moving along with the waves. This will give a very realism. So let's do that. Let's add this animation to our flag. Let us bring this back and add a keyframe. Then let us move this forward and then change this to 200. So there you go. So now you can see, let it render out. So guys, you can see how beautiful this animation has turned out. It's looking very real, a very natural flow of the flag. So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did like the video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, have a good day.